Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're talking about something that's becoming more and more essential for drivers everywhere: a reliable dash camera. This is the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam, a feature-packed dashcam that delivers incredible 4K video quality, smart connectivity, and round-the-clock protection for your car. If you've been searching for a dashcam that combines performance with ease of use, this one deserves a serious look. Let's start with video quality. The ROVE R2-4K Pro records at 2160p Ultra HD at 30fps, giving you sharp, crystal clear footage of your drives. Whether it's daytime traffic or night driving, the WDR wide dynamic range and enhanced night vision ensure you capture every detail, from license plates to road signs. That's crucial for peace of mind and for evidence in case of an accident. Another standout feature is the built-in GPS. This records your driving location and speed, embedding the data right into your footage. It's a fantastic tool for accountability and protection, especially for long trips or professional drivers. Connectivity is made simple with 5G Wi-Fi support and the companion app. You can easily transfer videos directly to your smartphone without fumbling with memory cards, making it quick and convenient to share or save important clips. The 2.4-inch IPS screen on the dashcam itself also makes reviewing footage on the spot simple and clear. Storage flexibility is excellent, with support for memory cards up to 512 GB, so you won't have to worry about running out of space during long journeys. The 150 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you're covering more of the road, capturing not just what's ahead but also the surrounding lanes. One of the biggest highlights here is the 24-hour parking mode. Even when your car is parked, the dashcam keeps watch, automatically recording if motion or impact is detected. That means you're protected not only on the road but also when your car is unattended. Design-wise, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is compact, sleek, and easy to mount discreetly on your windshield. It blends right in while working hard in the background to safeguard your journeys. So, is the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam worth it? Absolutely. With 4K clarity, GPS tracking, 5G Wi-Fi, night vision, parking mode, and huge storage support, it's a powerful all-in-one solution for drivers who want both safety and convenience. Check it out using the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and join me for more daily reviews of the latest tech that makes life easier and safer.